Hello, I am Stephanie Korn, Instructional Technology Specialist at East High School. And today we are going to look at installing Kami so that it can be used with assignments in Schoology and Google Classroom. So here I am in Schoology. There is a Kami assignment, but you notice it doesn't give me the option to open it with Kami. If I click here, it will just open the PDF itself. The reason I cannot open it with Kami is because I do not have the Chrome extension loaded onto my Chrome browser. So let's do that. In Chrome, if you just Google Chrome extension Kami, the very first option that pops up is the Chrome extension you will need. We'll click Add to Chrome, and yes, add extension. Notice it has been added to Chrome. Now when I click it, notice how it goes away. If you would like it to stay, come up to this puzzle piece, find Kami, it's in alphabetical order, and then just click the pin. And then it'll pin it up into your extension list on the toolbar. Now if I come back to my Kami assignment and I click refresh, notice now I have this open assignment with Kami button. As a student, I can just click there to open the assignment in Kami, and then it will allow me to annotate and make changes to the assignment as soon as I log in with Google. You'll click Allow. All right, and there we are. Here is the Dung Beetle PDF, and it allows me to annotate and use all of the features that Kami provides.